Hi everybody, it's Kadzo with Kadzoe for Africa. And I know a lot of you have been asking a lot of questions about your F-1 visa status and what it means in this new political climate that we are on. So I'm going to try my best to answer three main critical questions because of all the emails that you have sent me inquiring about what it means for you as an international student with this current administration. I thought that I would take some time to do the research for you so that I can provide you some insight. So let's get right to it. So the first and most common question that I have received is about the F-1 visa status when it comes to OPT and the job search process. Here is the advice. Right now, as it stands, there's a lot that's happening with the current administration. The wonderful thing about the US is that it's a country that is full of policies and laws. So these were suggested laws that were put out there about some possibility of things that might arise, but they have not come into effect yet. So what that means for you, right now, if you are a student who's about to apply for OPT and is about to undergo the job search process, nothing has changed. Go about it, go talk to your employers, work on your elevator pitch, sell yourself, invest in your education by looking for a great job, and you should be good to go. If you are faced with an employer who's a little nervous, it's your job as an international student to reassure them and let them know that the process has not changed. The second tip that I have for you if you're an F1 student who's going through OPT and would like to get the H1B is look for companies that are international friendly. Companies that have already done paperwork for international students. Remember, in one of my videos, I think I'm going to do an update. I do have a video on companies that hire international students, and I am happy to share that information with you. Just go ahead and email me if you would like to know how to look at the top employers, because I do provide that information for my viewers. So I'm happy to provide that for you. So something for you to think about as well. But basically, I think with those two tips, you should be able to be fine as you conduct your job search. I'm going to take a look at some of the other questions that I can answer real quickly. Popular question is about travel. Now, as you guys know, the ban is on, the temporary ban for 90 days was for Syria, Iraq, Iran, Sudan, Libya, Somalia, and Yemen. And so what that means is for you, if you are from those countries and you are on F1, talk to your international advisor about travel. Because here's the thing, your international advisor is your best ally right now. They're the ones who are keeping up to date with whatever the trends are. So I highly recommend that you touch base with your international advisor before travel. If you are not from the 7 countries, still speak with your international advisor. Remember, they're your best ally. I have said video after video. They're your ally. They process the paperwork. They know the policies. Please touch base with them. Don't despair. Don't just assume that we can't travel, and if your parents are sick or you need to be home, that you can't go. So don't panic. You know, I guess the basic message here is do not panic. There is a system in place that has your best interests as well. So something for you to think about. The last question I will quickly cover here is about your F1 validity. And if you are somebody who is watching this channel and you are in a different country and you would like to come to the US to study, go ahead and apply. The process has not changed. The US is welcoming students who are here on valid F1 visas. You are on status. It is perfectly fine. Please go ahead and proceed with your plans. So do not panic is the message here. Keep your international advisor updated. And if you are conducting the job search process, go ahead and do it. So hopefully those tips were helpful to you in this chaotic time that we're in. But remember, always keep the calm before the storm. Let me know how I can help. I'm happy to reach out to you, secure a consultation if you would like, so that we can be able to continue working with you to help you with your higher education needs. This is Kadzo with Kadzoe for Africa. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, Barikiwa. Bye everybody.